is equal to 2b, then data 2 is equal to 3f, and data 3 is equal to 6a, and data 4 is equal to af, where A, B, C, D have their A, B, C, D, E, F, they have their own significant values like 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Now we will apply step 1. So initially R is equal to 0 and L is equal to 0. So here R is equal to 0, L is equal to 0. Have you understood? Now, you are understanding, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now in first step, so step 1, I'll be applying here more data. Yes, data is there because I have 4 sets of data. So yes, so I'll take D1. D1 is nothing but 2b, and R plus D1, R plus D1 here. So R was 0 here. Initially R and L both are 0. In fact, I should have taken 0 here and 0 here, which I have not taken. So I must, I should have taken this, as 0. Okay. No. Okay, fine. So, so I have R is equal to 0 plus D1. It is 2b. So 2b, you can see 2b is nothing but 32. 2b, if you convert it into number, so 16 twos are 32, and plus b is 11. B is 11. So 32 plus 11, 43. So 2b is equal to 43. Have you understood this?
Yes, sir.
2b is equal to 43. Yes, you have understood. Okay. So now this 43, 43 mod 256. You got the idea? Mod 256. Since 43 is less than 256, I'll be getting 43 only. Is less than 256, I'll be getting 43 only. So 43 means what I'll be getting here, it will be 2b only. You got the idea? 2b, which is 43 as it is. So when this is added, so 0 plus 2b is equal to 2b, and since 2b is nothing but 43 mod 256, it is 43 itself. So I'll be writing 2b. Have you understood this level, till this level?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Next, L is equal to L plus R. L is equal to L plus R means L was 0 initially. You can see L was 0 here. So 0 plus R. R, I have got it as 2b. Please take calculator and all with you. Have calculator with you. Pen, paper, calculator. So that you can calculate yourself. Everyone, have you taken calculator?
Yes, sir.
And pen, paper is
ಏನು?
there?
ಇವಾಗ ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಇರಮ್ಮ.
Yes, sir.
Pen, paper is there? Okay, fine. So now it is L. L is equal to 0 here. 0 plus R. R, I got 2b. So 0 plus 2b is again 2b. And 2b is nothing but 43. Mod 256 is 43 only. So this will be 2b. Have you understood? So in step 1, I have got the value of R as 2b and L also 2b. Have you understood? Now I'll loop back here. And I'll come. I'm checking more data. You got the idea? Yes, there is data. I have finished only working with first data, that is 2b. Now I'll read the second data, 3f. You got the idea? So this 3f. Now R plus di. Di means data 2. R. Initially R was 2b. You got the idea? Plus. Now what I am reading is second data is 3f. So 2b plus 3f. Are you getting my point? R plus di is nothing but 2b. This R was 2b in the step 1, and plus the new data that I have read, that is 3f. So 2b plus 3f. 2b value is 43 and 3f value is 63. How I have got 63? 16 threes are, I have, this is nothing but base 16 means 16 threes are 48 plus f, value of f is 15. So 48 plus 15 is 63. So 2b plus, you got the idea? 2b plus 3f it should have been. 2b plus 3f. I'm sorry, how I have taken this. Huh. So this is nothing but 2b plus 3f. 2b plus 3f. If I add these two, I'll be getting 106. When I convert this into 106 into base 16, how much is this? Base 16 means how many times it will go? 16, how many times? 6 times it will go, right? 106 divided by 16, how many times it will go?
6 times 96.
How many times?
6 times.
6 times. And what is the remainder?
12.
Huh?
10, sir. 10.
10.
sir.
So that is what I have written here, 6a. This is what? So 16 6 are 96 plus 10. That gives me 106. So I have written 6a. So R was 2b plus 3f is equal to 6a. Have you understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no, boys, girls?
Sir.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, 6a I have got. Okay, now 6a, this goes here. From next, I go to this step. Now 6a means it is nothing but 6a is 106. 106 mod of 256. Since 106 is less than 256, I'll be getting 106 only. But 106 is nothing but 6a. You got the idea? It is nothing but 6a as it is. Now this is going here. Next step is this. So L is equal to L plus R. So what was L in previous step? It was 2b plus R is 6a. 2b plus 6a. So 2b plus 6a is equal to 2b. I have calculated it as 43 and 6a I have calculated as 106, which is nothing but 149. Now 149 mod 256, 149 mod 256 is again 149 because 149 is less than what? 256. Yes. So how
Yes,
will I
sir.
convert this 149 into what I'm saying this thing? So how many times it will go? Divided by 16 if you make. How many
Nine.
times does it go?
9, sir.
9 times. 9 times means how many? 144 it will be. What is the remainder?
5.
5. So 9 times it goes. 16 nines are 144 plus 5. This is 149. 95. So I get 95 here. Have you understood till this step 2?
Yes,
Sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes,
next
sir.
is again I'm coming back here. I'm looping back here and coming more data. I'm asking more data. Yes, there is more data because 6a is there. Next data is 6a. Next data is 6a. So this 6a is coming. It will be added to current value of R. So current value of R is 6a. And this 6a is coming as data 3. Data 3. You got the idea? So this is nothing but 6a plus 6a. 6a plus 6a is nothing but 106 plus 106, which is nothing but 212. 212 mod 256. You got the idea? 212 mod 256 is nothing but 212 only because 212 is less than 256, right? Now 212 has to be converted into 16 base. So 212 divided by 16, how many times it will go?
13 times.
How many times?
13.
13 times. So 13 is nothing but D. See here on the, this thing I am showing 13 is nothing but D. So I have written is as D. What is the remainder?
4.
4. So D4, 212 has been converted into D4. Okay. So now this value I have written as D4. Have you understood till this level? This plus this is nothing but equal to D4. Yes. Now next step is this L plus R. So L plus R is nothing but 95 plus D4. 95 plus D4. So 95 plus D4. 95 was nothing but 149. And D4 is nothing but 212, which is nothing but 316. Now this 316 is bigger than 256. So I can apply mod operation. This percentage sign is nothing but representing mod operation. So 316 divided by 256. How many times it will go? One time.
1, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And what is the remainder?
60.
60. So this is what is 60. 60 is the remainder. So mod operation always gives you remainder. You got the idea? Mod operation always gives you remainder. So remainder is 60. Now 60 has to be converted into base 16. What is this?
60 divided
So
by
60,
16.
60 divided by 16. How many times it will go?
3, sir.
3 times. So 48. What is the remainder?
12.
12. So this is the 3 16s are 48 plus 12 is 60. So here I got 3C.
Sir,
Yes.
149 plus 212 is 361, sir.
Which one?
149 plus 212.
This one.
361. Yes, sir.
How much it is?
361.
Not 316. So here you mean to
No,
say
sir.
we have erred? We have done wrong?
There is an error.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, there is an error. So here this should be 361.
61. Yes, sir.
61.
Now 361 divided by 256.
95 plus
361 divided by, simply take
It will go
361 minus 256. How much?
105.
105. Convert this into base 16. So 6 are 96.
Yes, sir.
And how much remains? 96, 4 plus 5, 9, 69.
69.
So here I'll be getting it as 69, right? 95
sir.
plus D4. Yes?
69, sir.
69 I'll be getting. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for correcting me. Now next we are going for this. Okay. Now is more data there? Yes, AF is there now. AF is there. So AF plus D4. AF plus D4 is nothing but 212. D4 is 212. You got the idea? Plus AF. AF is 175. Yes? Because A is nothing but 10. 10 into 160. 10 into 16 is 160. 160 plus 15 is 175. Yes. Have you understood this?
Yes, sir.
When I add this, how much it will be?
387.
387 divided by 256. So what is the
One.
remainder here?
1, sir. No remainder.
How much? 387 minus 256. How much?
131, sir.
131. So this 83 is correct.
Yes, sir.
This 83 is correct. Am I clear over here? Now, next is next I have to take L plus R. L plus R is nothing but 69 plus 83. So now this is 69. 69 plus 83. Okay, 69 is how much? 69, how much we have calculated? 105.
Yes.
69 we have calculated it as 105. 105 plus 131. How much it is?
236.
236, yes.
Yes. 236, sir.
Now 236 divided by 256, how much?
236.
Easy.
236 divided by 256, how much?
236, sir.
236. Convert it into 60. Somebody, this thing is disturbing me. 236 divided by
Sir, easy, sir, answer.
how much? How many times does it go?
EC, sir. EC.
236
EC.
divided by-
EC.
Huh?
EC, sir.
Hmm?
E and C. E and C.
E for egg.
Yes, sir. E and C for cat. Cat. C.
Okay, EC. So this must be EC, yes?
Yes, sir.
This must be EC. Okay. So have you understood this till this level?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now we come here. Is there any more data?
No, sir.
We are done with 2B. We have done with reading 3F. We have done with reading 6A, and we have done with reading AF. Is there any more data?
No, sir.
More data?
No, sir.
No. Now calculating checksum. So checksum is nothing but 236 into 256 if you give. But this into is a big number. This should have been what I meant to say mod only. So mod if you take, so L is equal to, I'll be getting it as L is equal to here. This was wrong, right? So checksum is equal to this into, if I make, it will be too big of a number. So I have to make, this won't be, 16-bit, okay, 32-bit number, right? It should be 32-bit number because it is taken as 16 base. So multiply it. How much it will be? BF. BF is how much? This should come as EC.
EC.
L is nothing but EC. How much is this? You see, checksum is given as L into 256 plus R. What is L? L is EC. So EC is how much?
236, sir.
236 into 256, how much? How much is it?
60,416, sir.
60,416.
Yes, sir.
Is this correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now convert that into what I meant to say 16 base. Convert this into 16 base. Divided by 16 you make.
3776, sir.
3776.
How much is this?
So it is 3776.
So this should be 236, 236. $256. How much you are getting? This 60416 divided by 16. How much you are getting?
3776.
3, 7,
77.
3, 7. How much?
3776.
3, 7, 7, 6.
Sir, in checksum,
Exactly.
we need to consider R also.
Huh?
Sir, in
R
checksum,
is we have what now? R is 83 only. R is 83 only. R has already been found. Only I have to find L.
Sir, plus R it is there, sir. In check.
plus R it is there.
Plus R.
So plus R means this you add 83 to this. This 3776 is there, right?
Yes, sir.
To this you add R. I'm getting
3907.
I'm getting some background noise. So how much is this?
3907, sir.
3907.
3907.
So is equal to, so left plus right. So this is nothing but left plus right. Left plus right is equal to how much?
3907.
3907.
3907.
07.
07 to the base 16. So you can see here we started with two 16-bit numbers, 4-bit, 4-bit. So total 8 bits. So these are 8 bits. Right is data 8-bit, 8-bit numbers. Because this is 16, right? 16 base. So I got total length is this is 4 bits, 4 bits, 4 bits, 4 bits. So total 16 bits is the length. Checksum is 16 bits. You see, left is 8 bits, right is 8 bits. So checksum will be 16 bits. You see, 16-bit checksum is LR. So I have got 16-bit checksum. Have you understood the entire problem?
Yes, sir.
Everyone, boys, girls?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is R is equal to 0, then L is equal to 0. So hopefully every one of you have understood, right? So if this type of example comes, you will be able to solve. Yes?
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
how many marks is this, sir?
This will be 12 marks. If at all 10 to 12 marks, it will be.
Some
Okay.
more problems are
Where
still.
you will be asked to draw the Fletcher's, algorithm flowchart, and then you will be asked to solve this. So you have to give in tabulated form. Understood? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Have you noted this down? Have you noted this down?
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Excuse me, sir.
So every one of you have understood, right?
So for checksum, we have to add L into 256 and plus R.
Anyone is having any doubt in this?
Sir, checksum.
Sir, we have to add R before dividing 16, no, sir?
Which one?
Yeah.
R.
No. First, we have to see whenever we solve in data structures, you will take first priority, which is multiplication. So left priority will be always this multiplication. Whatever multiplication result is there, we have to add that with R. You got the idea? So 236 plus 250. I think we have erred here.
First we divided and then added, sir. So first
No,
we have to add
This
and
is
then
correct. This is correct. You see, this is. Oh, sorry. No, this is correct. See, we have taken EC into 256. That is EC was how much? 236 into 256 is 60,416. And this was converted into base 16. This was converted into base 16. Yes.
R need to be added, no, sir.
But for the checksum, R needs to be
Yeah, R
added.
need to be added.
L into 256 plus R,
Plus
right?
R.
So now this left 3776 plus 83 should be added. So this is wrong. How much it will come? 83 means how much it will come? 3776 plus 83 you do. This is wrong.
3859.
So this is 9 I will be getting. 6 plus 3 9 and 7 plus 8 15. So 15 is F. You got the idea? 15 is F and this is 37. So this is 37. This is the final answer. Have you understood? See,
Yes,
now
sir.
L plus R is nothing but 3776 and 83. So if you do this 76, if you add 83, 6 plus 3 is 9. I have taken 9. 7 plus 8. Next will come 7 plus 8 in 10th position. 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 is nothing but F.
yes, sir.
Have you understood? And
Yes.
remaining 37 remains as it is. Remaining 37 remains as it is.
Right.
Okay.
So,
So thank you for correcting me. Who was that who has corrected me?
Sure, sir.
Some girl said, thank you very much.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So have you understood the whole procedure?
Yes, sir.
So I have committed mistake, but you people should not. Because I just started, but overall, have you understood how to implement this? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine. Now what I suggest is, this is Adler's algorithm. Okay. Now you take example, use Adler's algorithm. Use Adler's algorithm. Use Adler's algorithm. Use Adler's algorithm. So Adler's algorithm I am showing on the screen. I am showing on the screen. Right? Use Adler's algorithm to calculate the checksum. To calculate the checksum with following numbers, with following hexadecimal numbers. First number is 16FC. First number is 16FC. Second number is 3B2D. See, these three are the numbers. These three are the numbers. You have to perform this. You got the idea? So DI, you're sorry. So this is, I'll take this times New Roman, and this goes to 20, and this goes here. So the numbers are 16FC. You got the idea? Then 3B2D, 3B2D, then next number 49A6, right? Calculate checksum. Now do this example yourself and get me the answer. So here it is 16 bits. You see, left and right both are 16 bits. You can see here each data is 16 bit. 4 bit, 4 bit, 4 bit, 4 bit. Total 16 bits. This is 16 bit. This is 16 bit. So final answer I should get 32 bits.